In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Capital.com newsfeed. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find timely market updates and how to make sense of what you see so you can stay informed throughout the trading day. First, open the news section. On Capital.com, this is where the latest market coverage lives, and it's designed to be quick to scan. Depending on whether you're using the website or the mobile app, you'll find the news area in slightly different places, but the idea is the same. This is your hub for headlines, brief reports, and developing stories that can influence prices. If you're not already signed in, log into Capital.com. Being logged in ensures you're seeing the news as it's intended inside the platform interface, and it helps the site load everything smoothly. If your session times out, a quick sign-in will bring you right back without losing your place. Next, navigate to Discover or to the News Analysis section in the platform menu. Some versions label it Discover to group together insights, market movers, and editorial content. Others call it News or News Analysis to clearly separate headlines from deeper commentary. Either way, once you tap or click into that area, you're in the right spot to browse what's happening now. When the news feed loads, it will display the latest market headlines and reports. Items typically appear in chronological order, with the most recent at the top, so you can see what just crossed the wire. You'll notice short, direct headlines first, followed by concise summaries that highlight the key takeaway. Things like central bank remarks, earnings surprises, macro data releases, or sector moves. Many entries will reference specific assets or markets, such as indices, forex pairs, commodities, equities, or crypto, so you can quickly gauge which areas might be affected. As you scan, pay attention to timestamps so you can distinguish between breaking news and developing stories that may evolve over the trading session. The language is usually neutral and factual, which makes it easier to assess potential impact without noise. If you're following multiple markets, look for recurring themes across several headlines. That often hints at broader sentiment shifts rather than one-off moves. A practical tip is to use the feed as a starting point for context. Let headlines alert you to what changed. Then consider how that might relate to your existing watch list or risk controls. The goal isn't to chase every update, but to stay aware of catalysts that could shape volatility, momentum, or trend continuation. That's it. Open the news section, log in to Capital.com, head to Discover or News Analysis, and let the feed surface the latest market headlines and reports so you can make more informed decisions.